In this video, let's learn to remove an object using Clone Stamp tool in Adobe Photoshop. The clone stamp is effective when you need to copy exact detail and color from one part of an image to another area. In the options bar, select the Clone Stamp tool and set the size as your wish. Then, press Alt plus click on another area to set the sample point where you want to copy the details. A preview inside the clone stamp pointer shows the detail you are using for the retouching. Brush over the area where you want to add the copied details to remove an object. And a crosshair indicates where the detail is copied from. Be attention, in here, I'm just copying in this border line of the grassland. And don't move up or down, just move the tool to the straight line, and draw, and you can see inside the clone stamp pointer. Use different areas to copy, and avoid repeating details. Here you can see these yellow flowers are repeating, so use the clone stamp tool with a smaller brush size to stop repeating details. Superb! Here you can see the results.